Hi guys, how are you? Today I bring a special video, simple permanent tissue, because some of my students request me to make a video on that topics. So I make this one. But I request everybody, please watch the video till end because at the end of the moment I give a tips on the simple permanent tissue, which is very helpful for your exam. Now, first, what is telling? What is tissue? Tissue is a same type of a group of similar cells that works together to perform a specific functions. So, in general, the plants are two types of tissue. There is a simple permanent tissue and the complex permanent tissue. Parenchyma is a simple permanent tissue. It is a picture. Look, there is a prominent nucleus, there is a vacuoles, and the wall is very thin. And one more thing, if it is a nucleus, it has a nucleus. So we can tell that the parenchyma is a living cell. Okay, now I tell the characteristic of the parenchyma. What is the characteristics? Number one, it is a living cell because it is a nucleus. It has a nucleus, so it is a living cell. And you look the previous picture, the thin wall. The wall is very thin, and there is a large contracted vacuoles in the center of the cell. Round, it's a round shape, oval shape. It can divide, okay, and it can store foods in the vacuoles. Now, I tell some functions of the parenchyma, parenchyma tissue. This one, number one is photosynthesis. The parenchyma tissues have the chloroplast, and due to this one, it can prepare foods for the plant also, and we can take food also. What is the extra food? Plant can store it, and where plant can store it, it's stored in the parenchyma and transport the water, the minerals, the in the parent through the parenchyma, it transport at the xylem parenchyma and the phloenchyma do this one. And flexibility, it has some flexible characteristics. Next, the collenchyma, it is a it is not a proper shape, and the thickening at the corner is a thickening, but thickening not all the sides is the same size. And it is a living cell because it has a nucleus, so it is a living cell. You can different what is a parenchyma and what is a collenchyma cells. Look at the picture and you can distinguish it. Now I discuss the characteristic of the collenchyma cells. What is it? It is a living cell because you can see that there is a nucleus, there is a vacuole, so it is a living cell. Thickening at the corner means it the thickness of the all the wall are not in the same. Mainly in the corner side, the thickness is a little bit big, and the enlarged shape. Enlarged means it is little bit big from the parenchyma, and no intercellular spaces because there is a thick the around the cell there is a thickness, so there is no intercellular space between to this one. Now I tell the function of the collenchyma. It's provide mechanical support, means it is too much strong, so it can provide mechanical support. Allow flexibility means when the plants wants to move, wants to bend, it allow them. And support growth at the time of the growth, it also helps the plant to grow properly, means it support the growth also. And it is the main function of the collenchyma. Main function is mechanical support is the main function, and others is the additional function. Now I tell the third one. Third one means sclerenchyma. Sclerenchyma is two types. The long narrow, it is called fibers, and the irregular short irregular shape, it is called sclerites. Now I tell the characteristic of the sclerenchyma. Sclerenchyma is dead cell, means it has no nucleus. And thick cell wall. The cell wall is thick and it is too much thick, not small. No intercellular spaces because the thickness is too much, so there is no intercellular spaces. And for the thickness, the cells are rigid and strong. Acha. It gives the strength and the support. Protect the plant. Why it gives the strength? Because it is the too much thick, so it is healthy. So it gives the strength and the support. Protect the plants and provides rigidity and form hard coverage of the soft part. And it is a main function of this. Now I tell what is the tips of this. Always remember parenchyma and the collenchyma are the living cells, but the sclerenchyma is a dead cell. Don't forget it. Okay? Always remember it. And please like my videos and wait for the new videos. And please don't forget to subscribe.